Today, holiday brunch. My name's Mike. I'm here with Yas. Already. Ready to do this?
Yes.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Ready.
Ready to give it a go?
Yes.
Why am I sitting down? This is what happens. This is why I'm sitting down. Because when I do this. So today I'm gonna make egg bites. You might have seen them at Starbucks. It's really easy to do. I love egg bites because really you can toss anything you want in there. So holiday leftovers, roast pork, turkey, chicken, whatever. All you need are a few simple ingredients. So eggs, cheese, any kind. Today we have smoked Gouda from Grandpa's Cheese Barn. High class here. You need some cottage cheese, and today we're gonna use some bacon. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take 4 eggs. We'll go 1, 2, 3, and just to make things even easier, I'm putting everything into a blender. 4 huevos, half a cup worth of cheese, and we'll do like a half a cup of cottage cheese. This is gonna give it its kind of custardy, creamy texture. Ready for the grind? You guys can use regular muffin pans, just spray it with a little bit of oil first. We are going to carefully pour these. So yes, you want to help me, and we'll just put some extra bacon on that guy. What do you think? Was that fast enough?
It was super fast. Can I eat this?
No. Oh, I tell you what, you want to make half of them spicy? Toss in some jalapenos. Adds a little bit of color.
Yeah,
Perfect.
because it's festive season. What, he's gone.
Did you just change hats?
It's my chef hat.
Oh.
I'm going to make an easy cornbread for holiday brunch. It's guaranteed for a festive look and colorful look, and people would not notice that you are making it actually from a mix.
So you're saying all my friends will think I slaved in the kitchen?
Yes, exactly. This is according to the box that I'm using. The cornbread powder, less than 1 cup of milk, half cup of oil. Since it's holiday and it's all about that festivity, I will add pepper and 1 egg. Just some amount of jalapeno to make it a little bit spicy. If you are not okay, or your kids are not okay with spice, feel free to forego the jalapeno, but I think the combination of the colors looks really well. About half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and we will mix it. You know what I figured out? Maybe I should have mixed it, then add the other stuff, but now you know.
Yeah, it's usually a good idea to mix all your dry ingredients first and then all your liquid ingredients if you can, but with the little muscle power, which Yas has.
Oh yeah.
She'll get this looking smooth.
Look at that color and combination. I think I will add, there's
Nice.
jalapeno.
Nice. Make sure you stock up on toilet paper, guys. Stir, stir, stir. Great. Like your little ears too. Is this a moose or?
I think it's a moose or a reindeer.
Reindeer. Oh yeah, of course. It's the holiday times. You need help?
Yes, please.
Here, Yas.
Oh, that's so much easier.
It's my job. I make everyone's life easier. Nice. So is this gonna rise, Yas?
I don't know, I hope I mixed it enough.
We have the oven already preheated at 350 degrees. We're gonna leave it in for about 15-20 minutes. Who knows, temperatures and times, it'll be different, so just pop it open, check it, stick a little toothpick in there, make sure it comes out dry, just like you would a cake. Guys, we just took these out of the oven. Egg drops held up well. Your cornbread looks amazing and it smells delicious. Thank you guys for watching. We're gonna grill right now. Stay tuned for more stuff.
Yes, bye! You know what? I was thinking that we originally had 6 egg bites.
And action, speak.
Okay.